Hey, what is going on, y'all? This is Jeff with Geo Rides, and in today's video, we're going to be reviewing the INFLATiQ tire inflator. And let me tell you, I have put this inflator through its paces. I didn't want to give you a review until I actually used it in the field when I went to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina for Bike Week. And let me tell you, there's some things that this yellow and black competitor just doesn't do. Now, while this is not a direct comparison between this yellow and black brand to the INFLATiQ, I'm gonna tell you why this does three things different that I absolutely love. And this will be my inflator as I roll throughout the country this summer as we do things bigger and better in 2026 on the Geo Rides channel. Let's go. All right, so as I mentioned in the open, I'm gonna take you through my initial impressions and review of this INFLATiQ inflator by RIMiQ. And let me tell you, this thing packs a punch in a very small footprint. And so one of the things right off the bat that I really do like about this inflator is it packs up better than this. So I feel like this rectangular shape is kind of awkward and doesn't offer me enough versatility when it comes to packing it in my gear or in my tour pack or whatever the case may be. When I made the run down to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, let me tell you, this was absolutely clutch. And I'm not just saying that because RIMiQ supplied me with this. I'm gonna give an honest review. They did not ask me what to say or to even review the video before I put it out. And I love companies like that that don't try to push you to do things that you don't wanna do. This is 100% a real review. And this is me using this with reading very little instructions. And I'll be able to tell you all the things that this can do. So let's go ahead and get into it. And so, like I said, you've got the RIMiQ. It's got this nice little pouch that it comes with. My yellow and black, and I keep saying yellow and black, and I'll get to this actual product, which is a competitor in the industry that I bought previously myself. I'll tell you why the yellow and black doesn't go for me now. Not to mention because it's still its colors. But anyway, we're gonna move on. But anyway, like I said, this is the INFLATiQ. And one of the features that I'm gonna talk to you about is right here that beats the yellow and black. I'll talk to you about that here in a little bit. But I'm gonna power on the unit here in a little bit. But I'm gonna go through the accessories first. Let you take a look at it. I'm gonna go through the accessories first and then we'll move on from there. All right. So you've got a 20-inch air hose, very comparable to the yellow and black. Okay. You screw it on the end. It's fairly easy to use on the motorcycle and obviously gonna be fairly easy to use on your vehicle as well. So you got a 20-inch hose. You also have a cigarette or DC adapter. And so one of the things is nowadays you don't see many DC adapters, but specifically on my 2021 Street Glide Special I have here behind me, I do have a DC outlet that I can plug this into. So let's say for whatever reason, because this is rechargeable, the INFLATiQ is rechargeable. It's got an 11.1 volt battery. Let's say I run it low on charge or whatever the case may be, or I charge my phone with the INFLATiQ, which is a feature as well. You can charge your phone. Let's say I ran the battery down on the rechargeable portion, the wireless portion. I can take and plug this in an event of emergency and I can inflate my tire. Or worst case, if I get two flat tires, I repair them with my repair kit and I need to pump them up, I can make sure that I have enough power to be able to blow up my tires and still be good to go. So that is an absolutely essential feature of the INFLATiQ that the yellow and black just doesn't have. All right, at least in this particular model anyway. All right, so we got our power cord. Let's see, got some instructions here, but you know, who reads instructions? All right, what else we got here? We got a USB-A to USB-C cord. And again, that's how you're gonna charge your phone. If you have an iPhone that still takes lightning like I do, then obviously you're gonna have to make sure that you have the proper cable. And I'm always carrying the correct cable when I'm traveling for content creation and stuff like that. But anyway, all right, what else we got in here? We have, let's see, we've got some tips. Most of these tips I probably will not use. The basketball inflator, and there are settings on the unit for that. You've got, I can't remember the exact term, but it's a fancy tip for bikes, for regular pedal bikes. And then you've also got some caps too as well, in case you need those. And then you have instructions and all that other kind of stuff. But again, we're not real big on instructions around here, so we're gonna keep it moving. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and bring the unit up here. into the camera, and we're going to go over some of the features and how easy this unit is to use. And then I'll get into the real world usage. And I won't necessarily blow up these tires because I did that when I was down in South Carolina. Like I said, just taking it through its paces, I want to make sure that this works before I recommend it to you, because I don't recommend junk. And make sure you check out the affiliate link down in the description. Gives me a little kickback when you purchase this, and I really appreciate it. All right, so now we're going to go through the features of the unit. And so what you do is you hold down the unit to turn it on. This prevents you from turning it on accidentally and discharging your battery. As you can see, I have 100% battery on the end here. It has a better battery indicator, okay? This button right here on this side, it rotates between the different modes. I'll bring it in a little bit closer here. It rotates between the different modes, and you can set your different settings for the different modes. I mainly use this inflator for my motorcycle. So my front tire is 36 inch pounds, and my back tire is 40. So that's how I set them. So that way I don't have to change them back and forth. You know, it's just convenient. You know, if I needed it for something else, then I would. And then obviously when I'm going to do my vehicles, I will use something else in terms of whatever setting I want to use. All right. So next we have a light on top. So what you do is you just press this button, and there you go. You can see that light's in there. That comes in handy in case of emergency. All right. And then you have your units. So if you want to use a bar or a KPA, I'm not even sure what that is, but kilograms per centimeter. But all in America here, we use a good old imperial and the pounds per square inch. Let me stop flashing this light in your face. There we go. At least you got to see the features of that. And then you adjust your the amount that you want to fill to from up and down. And I assume this is a custom mode. And again, I haven't looked at the instructions, but like I said, this thing does everything you want it to do plus some, and the additional features. And what I'll do a little bit later is I'll go around the box itself and talk about any additional features that I didn't touch on that I already know how to use. All right. So right here, you got your power adapter for your DC coming in right there. You've got your USB-C right here. So that is used to charge your phone or to charge the unit, okay? And then you've also got this outbound USB-A. Now, one of the features that I'm gonna talk about that the yellow and black unit does not have is how you attach the hose. And let me pull out the yellow and black unit real quick. And again, there's nothing wrong with this unit, but overall, I just like the RIMiQ, INFLATiQ better, okay? So what you do is you take out your 20-inch hose, so the hoses are comparable, that's not a big deal. And you have to screw it on, okay? And when you're talking about products of this quality and the minute differences that make a difference in getting your money, I'm gonna show you why I think the INFLATiQ wins. So I had to screw that on, okay? If it's cold outside, if I'm in a hurry, whatever the case may be, I got to take the time to screw this in. Again, it's not the end of the world. It's just a point of reference to know, hey, there is a better way to do it. And I believe the INFLATiQ does that. So we'll go ahead and put the yellow and black unit to the side. And if you're curious what that unit is, drop it in the comments if you're interested. And I can definitely tell you what it is. And so with the INFLATiQ, all you do is take and stick the hose on and twist. You're done. You're done. You're ready to put air in your tires. And again, to me, when you're talking about making the difference between units and what you spend your money on, these minor differences make a difference, okay? All right, so again, off, on. It don't get no better than that, all right? So, like I said, you've got your 20-inch hose. And again, the difference between the yellow and black unit and this INFLATiQ unit is, like I said, you have the ability to recharge it, but you also have the ability to have your DC coming in to be able to power this unit. So that way you're good to go and you can do everything you need to do. All right. All right. So now that I've given you my loose leaf or my, shoot from the hip review of this unit to show you what it does and how it operates, I'm going to go ahead and go around the box, and then I'll show you some real world usage on my part down at Myrtle Beach Bike Week. So stay tuned. All right, so I'm back with you, and now we're gonna go around the box real quick to catch any features that I might have missed as I was going around, okay? So right here, you're gonna see, like I said, you got the 20-inch hose, you've got 11.1 volt battery, so 3 times grade, 150 PSI power. I don't know if I would ever use 150 PSI for any particular reason with this unit, but it's there if you need it, all right? And it's got a lifetime warranty they're touting right here. So make sure you hop on down in the description and check out the affiliate link. And like I said, give me a little bit of a kickback, all right? So stronger, faster, smarter. So auto shut off, that's good, saves your battery. Let's see, night visibility, I could see that. It'd definitely be bright as you're using it. Clear display. All right. And so then it goes through how you go ahead and inflate the unit, and it's everything that I already covered. And you press the power button in order to fill up whatever it is you're going to fill up. All right. All right. And then on the back side of the unit, one of the things that you do not get with the yellow and black unit, and it's a FANTIC, by the way, I think it's a FANTIC X10 if I remember correctly, you do not get a premium case. You do not get a case with it. And that annoyed the crap out of me. Why in the world do I need to buy a separate case from another manufacturer to be able to put my inflator in? I like to have everything nice and uniform, everything together as much as possible. You'll see right here, I'm sitting on my Milwaukee toolbox here. I have Milwaukee gear for all of my content creation when I go on the road and stuff like that, just to keep everything nice and uniform. All right. So you also have, like I said, it's got quick fold technology. You got your dust caps. All of these things I already covered. But I really do like this unit, and you see right here, it says ball, motorcycle, bicycle, vehicle, phone, and tablet charging. Okay. So I want to give the folks at RIMiQ a very big shout out for sending me this unit. I absolutely love this unit, and I will be carrying this unit with me when I go to Run to the Hill 6 next week, when I go on my trip to Milwaukee and Chicago and Wright-Patterson Air Force Base in Ohio. This thing will be with me and will be my backup for when I need air for my tires or whatever the case may be, or to help a stranger, okay? If you have any questions, go ahead and drop it in the comments. I want to thank you for watching this video till the end. I want you to like, share, and subscribe. And remember to always ride as if you like the pins on it. Peace and be blessed.